Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection, and today we are looking at Gambit. Yeah, my first favorite X-Men. That's a shame. My first favorite X-Men, okay? Gambit. So I'm very curious. No idea what this is going to smell like. This is from the Mind Games Collection. The mini discovery kit. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and... Ah, yes. Unsheath this thing. All right, so Gambit. Gambit, Gambit, Gambit. All right, let's go ahead and get this into the spirit. Oh, wow. Gambit was ready. All right. Very familiar. Very familiar. You got warm spice, aromatic, woody, lavender, fresh spice, and patchouli. This smells like Brût. That's what this is. This is Brût. In the top notes, you got cloves, lavender, petitgrain. In the middle notes, you got cardamom, geranium, mimosa. In the base notes, you got ambros, patchouli, and sandalwood. This is Brût. Like, I mean, I'm pretty sure if you put them next to each other, this would be better. It would be less harsh. It would be more sophisticated. It would be more, you know, more modern. But it smells exactly like Brût. I can't unsmell it. I don't even know what else to say. This is Brût. Hopefully it has better duration because Brût lasts 10 minutes. But, now, the sandalwood is coming through. I'm not sure what makes Brût smell like Brût. I don't know if it's I'm not sure what it is. But I am getting more of the sandalwood. That's coming out. I like Brût, so I don't have a problem with it smelling like Brût because Brût doesn't last long. So it is dope to have a fragrance that smells like Brût that would last. I don't know how much this costs. I think these are more on the expensive side. I don't know if I would pay $200 and something to smell like Brût. Ah, dang, man. I want to like this house. Now, so far I've been underwhelmed. And I hate to say that because I'm only 4 fragrances in, but it's not bad. It's not a bad fragrance. These aren't like, with the exception of Rue Lopez. I didn't really care for that one. But these are definitely playing mind games with me. Definitely getting some mind games here. Dang, man. Anyway, yeah, so Brût, it's not bad. I love lavender, so there's that. Not a whole lot to say here. What can you say about the smell Brût? Yeah, if you like Brût, I would say check it out. I'm tremendously underwhelmed here. Wow, I mean, yeah. Definitely check it out if you're interested in it. Yeah, if you like Brût, this was probably something that'll last a lot longer. Yeah, so that's the first impressions. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. One thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations right now. Go ahead and check those out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.